Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to play Spotify on Discord bot. First of all, open Discord. Click on Server Boost. Then click on Server Settings. Now minimize Discord. Open Safari. Here search pancake.gg. Click to open the site. Now click on Invite Bot. Select a server where you want to add bot. Then click on Continue. After that, click on Authorize. Check the box I am human. You invited Pancake successfully. You can see it in Discord. Now open Spotify. Then left-click on a song. From the options, select Share. Copy the link to the song. Close Spotify. Type play, then paste the link of the song in the server message box, then send it. You can play that song on Discord. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.